Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this brand new RV garage pool home listing for a client. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, right here at 3600 Challenger Drive. This was just listed for $969,800. Great, very desirable south end neighborhood, right at the cusp of the desert, basically pretty much across the street almost from Sarah Park, super close to Havasu Riviera launch ramp. They did a lot of nice front landscaping, some big river rock. All right, let's go check it out. Has some nice stacked stonework. Little front entry seating area. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home. Built in 2016, 1,869 square feet. On a little bigger lot, 12,800 square feet. Nice open living area, plank tile floors, vaulted ceilings. They did the trowel down walls and ceilings. Little informal dining area. Slider out to the backyard. Nice kitchen setup with a eat-at bar, granite tops. They did the upgraded cabinets with the soft touch close, stainless appliances, little pantry. Sink has reverse osmosis and a little shot of the pool area. Real nice piece of granite. So this is a split floor plan. So you have the master on one side and the guest bedrooms on the other. So off the kitchen, you have your garage door access, indoor laundry, and your master. The slider out to the backyard pool area. I'm not sure if they're using it as a vacation rental, but it looks super clean, like they've barely used it. So you have a real nice master bath, plank tile floors, granite top vanities, skylight, little soaker tub. Has a bathroom or a toilet with its own door. Fancy toilet. You have a tiled walk-in shower. And of course your walk-in closet. So on the other side of the house you have a guest bathroom. Same real nice granite in here too. Soft touch closed cabinets. Tiled shower. So at the front of the house you have a guest bedroom. Double door slider closet doors. Vaulted ceilings in here as well. So at the end of the hall, you have a junior master suite with access to the backyard pool area. So here's your little junior master suite bathroom with your door out to the backyard pool area. tile walk-in shower with tile on the ceiling. All right, let's go check out the garage and the pool. All right, so you have a real nice garage setup. You have an extra deep 2-car side that's 40 feet deep with an 8-foot door. Both doors are insulated. It looks like it's pre-wired for sound. So you also have a 50-foot RV garage with a 13-foot door, 17 feet wide at the door entry. Does have a mini split AC unit. There's also full hookups in here. Door out to the side yard. So you have a killer backyard pool setup. Real nice back here. Travertine decking. Real nicely landscaped. They did some turf areas. Nice Baja shelf entry with palm tree inlays. Couple water pot spillways. This house does have a solar power system on it that is already paid for. Have your little bar area right here. Shark inlay at the bottom. They have these cool like rock-filled planter boxes, and the walls actually inside the property line, there's about 25 feet more behind this wall that is actually your property. It even has a plumeria going on back here. Real cool covered gazebo. Looks like they have power to it, a couple ceiling fans. So this is behind the wall. So the property goes for about 25 feet. They have these like flagstone pathways, so I guess you have to make friends with your neighbors down there. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Challenger. Again, this one was just listed for $969,800. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video, so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.